Lie down in such a manner that your body is extremely heavy. Make your head, shoulder, tailbone, heels extremely heavy. Relax your feet, let them flop down. Keep your hands on your tummy or your chest. Anybody who's wearing specs, please remove them. Observe the position of your tongue in the mouth. See the rising and falling of the belly with each inhalation and exhalation. Scan your body from top to bottom, right from the top of the head to back of the head. Observe the sensation on your facial skin, the sound hitting the ears. Observe your neck when you gulp your saliva. The gentle movement of chest when you breathe in and breathe out. The fold of your arms onto your chest. The rising and falling of the belly. See how your shoulders are resting on the floor. Scan your mid-back and lower back. Moving your attention to both your thighs and the knees. Shin bone, and how well your calf are rested on the floor. Heels, both feet, soles and palms. Observe the temperature of your body. Observe your breath. Feel the sensation of air going through the nose. Feel the temperature of inhalation and exhalation. Once you feel your heart rate and breath rate have come down, You can gently try bringing in awareness to your toes by gently moving them. Gently bend your knees. Make sure not to disturb your breath. Make a pillow of your right hand and turn to your right. Make sure the movements are so gentle so as to not disturb your breath. Let your breath settle in. Hold an affirmation for the day with each and every breath. Just inhale peace and awareness. I am more peaceful, I am more awareful. I am more peaceful, I am more aware. I am more peaceful, I am more aware. Pressing your left hand onto the floor. Eyes looking downwards and closed. Gently inhale and sit up. Do not disturb your breath. Make your movements as gentle as possible. Repeat the affirmations. I am more peaceful. I am more aware. I am more peaceful. I am more aware. Mentally repeat one more time. Keep your hands in Dhyan Mudra onto your lap. Very gently looking down towards the floor, open your eyes.